Okay, now see the next problem. Evaluate integral over c z secant z dz by 1 minus z square, where c is 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 9. Okay, this is the given curve. In fourth problem, given curve is circle, but what is this one? The given curve is 4x square plus 9y square, this one. Now we will see that. The given function is, this is integral f of z dz ma. Integral f of z dz. dz కాకుండా remaining f of z అవుతుంది. What is f of z? Z secant z by 1 minus z square. To evaluate this integral, the first step is find the poles. Find the poles first. Then residues. Then use the formula. 3 stages అనుకుంటాం. Now for finding poles, you let denominator equal to 0. 1 minus z square is equal to 0. Now z square is equal to 1. Z is equal to plus or minus 1. And z square is equal to 1 square అని అర్థం. Z is equal to plus or minus 1. Now what are the poles? Z is equal to plus or minus 1. Here we get z is equal to 1 and minus 1 are simple poles, and 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 9, which is an ellipse. Which is an ellipse. Okay ma, this is an ellipse. మీకు తెలుసు మొత్తాన్ని 9తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 4 by 9 x square plus 1 y square is equal to 1 అవుతుంది. అంటే x square by 3 by 2 whole square, y square by 1 square అలా వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి సెమీ మైనర్ అండ్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఆర్ 1 and 3 by 2. డయాగ్రామ్ చూపిస్తాను నేను. దిస్ ఈస్ వన్, దిస్ వన్ అమ్మా ఎలిప్స్. ఓకే, major and minor axes are 1 and 3 by 2. What are the poles here? 1 minus 1. 1 is here, z is equal to 1. Minus 1 is here. Both lies inside the curve. Curve means ellipse. Both lies inside the ellipse. Ellipse ante c. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన curve c అనేది ellipse కాబట్టి. So both lies inside the c. Now which points we are going to use here? So both poles lies inside. So we need the residues at both of these poles. First point, at residue at z is equal to 1. Simple amma. ఇక్కడ ఈ f of z అంటే this one f of z. 1 minus z square means ఇక్కడ 1 is z, 1 plus z into 1 minus z. Factors అమ్మ. ఎందుకని దీన్ని 0 చేసినప్పుడు z is equal to minus 1. If it is 0, z is equal to plus 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 minus z square means 1 plus z into 1 minus z. Now the residue at z is equal to 1 is limit z tends to 1, z minus 1 into f of z, which is limit z tends to 1, z minus 1 into z secant z by, in place of f of z, we put z secant z, in place of denominator 1 plus z, 1 minus z. Cancel these z minus 1 terms. What is the remaining? Only we have z secant z by z plus 1. Z secant z by z plus 1, limit z tends to 1, which is minus secant 1 by 2. Minus secant 1 by 2. Okay. Now you see z tends to 1 substitution ma. Here z minus 1 cancel పోతుంది. You get minus secant 1 here. Now you see here ma, this is z minus 1, this is 1 minus z. Okay, z minus 1, 1 minus z. ఇక్కడ మీరు మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఇది 1 మైనస్ z అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు 1 మైనస్ zతో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై హియర్ మైనస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తేనే 1 మైనస్ z, 1 మైనస్ z క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో మైనస్ మిగిలిపోతుంది. z secant z by z plus 1. ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ z యూ పుట్ 1. 1 secant 1 by 1 plus 1 అంటే secant 1 by 2. Next, the residue at z is equal to another point minus 1. That is limit z tends to minus 1. z minus of minus 1 means z plus 1. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే ఫ్యాక్టర్ z minus 1 అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ minus 1 ఉంటే అది ఈ సైడ్ వస్తుంది అనుకుంటే z plus 1 ఫ్యాక్టర్ into f of z is equal to same limit z tends to minus 1, z plus 1, f of z. In place of f of z, write z secant z by same factors 1 plus z, 1 minus z. Now z plus 1 or 1 plus z both are same plus kabatti both values cancel, then you put minus, you get z secant z by 1 minus z. Put z is equal to minus 1, what you get? Minus 1 secant minus 1. Secant minus 1 is secant 1 into minus 1. That means minus 1 into secant minus 1. Very sorry. Z is minus 1. Secant minus z is secant z. Kabatti minus secant z paina untundi. Kinda minus 1 minus 1. Okay. You get secant 1 minus secant 1 by 2. Now by residue theorem, integral f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. Now integral f of z dz kabatti integral this is equal to 2 pi into sum of residues. Sum of residues means first residue is this one minus secant 1 by 2. Second secant 1 minus secant 1 by 2. Second one. So sum ante ఆ రెండు తీసుకోవాలి, యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. 2 pi I into ఇక్కడ minus secant 1 by 2 minus secant 1 by 2. This is minus secant 1. Okay, minus secant 1 into 2 pi. We get minus 2 pi I secant 1 minus secant I. Okay, minus 2 pi I secant 1 is the required integral value. Okay, ma'am. Now see the next problem. Now see the next problem. Evaluate integral over c e power z by z plus 2 z minus 1 dz, where c is the circle mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. Where c is the circle mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. Now what is the first part? First to find the, this is integral over c f of z dz. Okay, first to find the poles. For that purpose, this is the given function. To find the poles, you let z plus 2 z minus 1 is equal to 0, then z plus 2 is equal to 0, z plus 1. This gives z is equal to minus 2, this gives z is equal to minus 1. Now z is equal to minus 2 and 1 are simple poles. Ante వీటికి పవర్స్ 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి these are simple poles. But you observe what is the given curve here. This is circle with the center z is equal to 1, center radius 1. Z is equal to 1 is 10 point. అంటే రియల్ పార్ట్ మాత్రమే ఉంది. z is equal to 1. This is the center. Radius 1 units ఉండాలి. ఓకే, now you see z is equal to 1. z is equal to 1 center కాబట్టి ఇది కంపల్సరీగా లైస్ ఇన్సైడే ఉంది. z is equal to 2 means minus 2 0. This lies outside c. కాబట్టి what is lies inside? Only z is equal to 1 lies inside c. కాబట్టి దానికి మాత్రమే మనం రెసిడ్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి. z is equal to minus 2 lies outside, so leave it. Now what is the residue at z is equal to 1 only? Only z is equal to 1 దగ్గర రెసిడ్యూ కనుక్కుంటాం. రెసిడ్యూ at z is equal to 1 is equal to limit z tends to 1 z minus 1 into f of z. That is equal to limit z tends to 1 z minus 1 into f of z. What is f of z, ma? Okay. Now what is f of z? E power z by z plus 2 into z minus 1. Substitute this, see this one, ma, f of z into z minus 1. This is f of z into z minus 1. So into z minus 1 వేసినప్పుడు z minus 1 cancel పోతాయి. After that e power z by z plus 2. కాబట్టి limit z tends to 1 e power z by z plus 2. Substitute limit value. In place of z you put e. E by 2 plus 1 means 3. E by 3. Now by using the theorem, integral f of z dz is 2 pi into sum of residues. Now integral function, what is function? E power z by z plus 2 into z minus 2 is z minus 1 is equal to 2 pi I sum of residues. ఎన్ని రెసిడ్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ ఒక రెసిడ్యూనే కనుక్కున్నాం కాబట్టి అదే రాస్తున్నాం. 2 pi I into e by 3 which is 2 pi I by 3. ఓకేమా, ఇక్కడ మనకు డిఫరెంట్గా వచ్చింది ఏంటి? 2 పోల్స్ వచ్చాయి, బట్ 1 ఈజ్ లైస్ ఇన్సైడ్, minus 2 ఈజ్ లైస్ అవుట్ సైడ్. కాబట్టి లైస్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నవి వదిలేసేయండి. ఎన్ని పోల్స్ వచ్చినా మనకు కావాల్సింది ఓన్లీ లైస్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో దానికి మాత్రమే రెసిడ్యూ. ఓన్లీ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లై ఇన్సైడ్. సో ఓన్లీ we find the residue at z is equal to 1. Only one residue is there. Now this integral is 2 pi I into only